Hey guys, it's been so long since I recorded, and let me tell you, I've been through it the past 2 weeks, okay? We haven't even recorded a slip talk, so more about that later. But I'm gonna take you through the day. It's Columbus Day, we have the day off, so we're together. And after this, we're probably gonna go to the gym, get a quick workout, and I may do some crowd therapy today for the first time, so stay tuned for that too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go back, go back. Go play.
Here, here's the cat. Meow. Meow. The cat says meow. Meow, meow, meow. Yay. Hey, Savannah, the doggy or the birdie? Doggy! Good job! Yay! Please use your spoon. I just made us some oatmeal with cinnamon and sugar and banana. Look at her, look at her. Yes, good job. Good job. There, you got a lot. Oh, good job. Oh, you spilled some. But still, good job. Yesterday and yesterday have been the best that I've felt in like 2 weeks. And I am also thankful. It's just like, you don't even be knowing how terrible you feel until you don't feel good. Like, you don't even understand, or you're not even really as grateful for feeling good and healthy and vibrant and energetic until you don't feel any of those things. And y'all, like the past 2 weeks I was dealing with, I had an eye infection, which they said it was pink eye, but I'm not sure if it was pink eye or just some kind of other infection. I don't know, y'all. But at the same time, I have a boob infection. I don't have one. I'm not gonna claim it. First they said it was a cyst, and they said it was mastitis, and they said it was then it ended up being like an abscess. But just like it was just a lot. Like, I'm gonna make a whole other video on this experience, but that was a lot to deal with, in addition to having the eye infection. And then I got a huge canker sore in my mouth, like overnight. It was like a huge canker sore in the back of my throat, and every time I would try to drink something or eat something, it shit just would burn so bad. So yeah, your girl is back on the up and up. She's feeling good. I actually did some work on my business. She's spilling that. Some work on my business yesterday, which is like the first time in forever. It was good. We actually also went to a wedding on Friday night, and they didn't really want too many people recording, so I just recorded on my Instagram. I didn't want to make like a whole production of it. So yeah, we've had a great weekend. This was like a great way to end the week. And I also went to, I don't know if any of you listen to podcasts, but Side Hustle Pro, she had a live recording, Nikayla, she had a live recording on Wednesday, and yeah, so that was good. So I felt like I'm on the up and up. I feel as though I'm on the up and up, and I'm so thankful and grateful. Y'all, anybody else been sick? Like, let me know in the comments, because this junk is just, y'all, I feel like typically I'm in good health, but then when I do get sick, it's like something crazy. I was just fatigued all the time, and then it was like a little bit stressful because I was like, well, what if it's not just a cyst? Like, what if it's something else? So all that was playing through my mind, because they make you wait for like ever to get an appointment, to get a mammography, like all these things. And yeah, so my heart, I'm gonna talk about that in another video. Actually, I want to put on this video, but it was a lot. But yeah, so we've just had what are you doing? Finish your food. Can you finish your food? She keeps just doing this. Like, this is why kids don't need toys, y'all. This is all she wants to do. That's all she wants to do. It's just, I don't know, she put the spoon on the couch. This is why our apartment is trash too, because I'm literally gonna blame my child. Look at her. This is what she wanna do. Be loyal, be confident, be empathetic, be passionate, be generous, be honorable, be you. Who's that? Okay, it's time to go night-night. Time was a fail. So here we are at Panera, right?
Okay, sure.
I got Savannah a little peanut butter and jelly and some chips. Yeah, she got a little peanut butter and jelly and some chips because we failed at nap time, right? You didn't want to go to sleep? I think she was hungry, so I was like, let's just go. And you just want to stand up?
All right.
Don't want to sit down?
Of course not. Yeah, let me just make sure I've got everything.
Got it!
That mass airflow system.
Okay.
Only last half.
Alright, so I got some 10 vegetable soup and a baguette because I'm on this like cleanse, but I guess I'm not really on the cleanse right now. But I'm trying to be on a cleanse, so I haven't been eating meat, like really low sugar,
What number do I call back?
nothing processed. Trying my best. We haven't been food shopping yet, so it's kind of hard to do that. That's why I got what I could at Panera. I got what I could here, so yeah. Can't say I'm enjoying it too much, but it's because I've been like having the infection, so I want to cleanse my body. I've been like literally eating garlic, like raw garlic, because it's like anti everything and it helps you to clear infections and to get over sicknesses. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. That'll all be detailed in the video that I'm going to talk about exclusively the issues that I was having. This girl is just eating the delicious kettle cooked chips they have here. Why you keep put your head higher? Try some. I had to come into Old Navy too because it's just mommy and daughter. And y'all, look, I found these pants. I'm in Old Navy right now, and look what I found on the pants. Damn, $8.99. These, I know they look a little cray-cray on camera, but it's actually like a mustardy yellow with the cheetah print, and I think they'll be so cute with like a solid color. I have this like solid color a black bodysuit, and I have a photo shoot coming up on Sunday, I believe, and I have no clothes for it. So this actually works really well because I already have things that can go with it. I don't have to buy like a whole entire outfit, or I probably would do a couple looks, but this is a good start for $9, y'all. $9, and they fit cute. They're like tapered at the ankles, which is what I kind of like to wear to work and stuff like that. So the shoot is just like a lifestyle shoot. So I just have to get stuff that like I would normally wear, like out working or going to an event or just going to work. Right? You want to get out, don't you? But you're gonna run amok if you go out. You're gonna go crazy. Yeah, I don't trust you, girl. You keep going crazy. Look at her. She loves the mirror. She loves the mirror so much. She's hilarious. You ankle length, mama? She keeps sticking the little sticker on her thing. It says ankle length. Savannah, you're a little bit taller than ankle length at this point. Do I look like somebody's mama today, y'all? With my Uggs, my capris, and my low braid. I feel like I'm looking like I'm still in college. Although I feel like I look better than I did when I was in college, to be quite honest. Got my life together. That's what health will do to you. And eating better. What are those? And I'm ashy. What are we doing out here? So I decided to find some more space in my trunk. I just have so much crap in my trunk, and I don't know why I have all this stuff in my trunk. This is like baby stuff. We keep her stroller in my trunk because our apartment has like no storage. Well, it has storage, but we're in the process of cleaning the whole thing out. Okay, I'm in the process of organizing my closet, but that ain't gonna be today, right? And then I decided to just come out here and look what I have in my trunk, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. This is like one of those baby pack and plays, and you know nobody takes them, so you have to just like keep it. And I don't know, we barely use it. And of course our stroller, we use that. But then I have this whole thing where this was like what I carried her around in, the baby carrier, which I do want to keep for the future because I really like it. And umbrella, this is my bag, so this is what I have in my trunk. along with all this that I'm throwing away. That's what I just bought from Old Navy. And then this is like one of those flight bags that you know, oh, here, Mama. Get out your booty. Why you in your booty? Get out your booty. Alright, this is one of those flight bags. When we went on a flight with her when she was 5 months old. And that's when somebody ever used it. So, I'm like, should I just throw it away? I don't know. What do you think? Get out your booty. Get out your booty. Get out your booty. Alright, y'all, so don't laugh. But this is the best I could do. These big old wheels are like, and I put the other thing under there. The little, maybe I could move that in the house. I don't know. Maybe I should move it into the house. Maybe the shoulder can go back more. Okay, this is what I got so far, but we might need to be redoing this again. Come on. Okay, y'all, this is better. I'm getting somewhere, but I took this and this out. So we just gotta, I don't know how I'm gonna carry her and this stuff at the house at the same time. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in there temporarily and then come out and get her. And that over there is trash. Organizing in small spaces is legit like playing Tetris. Got 2 bowling balls here. Mama, look. Savannah, can you squat? Squat. This is actually a good workout. Savannah. Savannah. She's tired, y'all. Do some squat. 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 Ellis. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, how many of y'all plan your groceries like when you go grocery shopping on a meal-based plan? That's what I'm trying today. So, well, we are trying today. So I planned out breakfast, 2 options for breakfast throughout the week, and then Savannah has like her own little option, you know, just in case. But she also really eats at daycare, so it's not a huge deal. And then I also planned out 3 meals for dinner and lunch, and then for lunch we usually always just eat leftovers. So like, I guess, you know, I don't know.
I ain't eat no leftovers. I'm getting ground turkey, man. I'm tired of eating leftovers. I'm trying to eat, man.
Okay, well, I'm on a cleanse. So
yeah,
why you park so crooked?
The family, the family not on the clock.
Okay, but this is what it looks like. Wait, for right now, this is what I got planned out. So I wrote down all the quantity. I wrote in the quantities. I divided them by meal and other things, and then I put like miscellaneous. But I know once we get in there, we're gonna see more. But I just wanted to like mentally know what I'm cooking this week before I go into the grocery store, because y'all, I feel like we wasting so much food, and I'm so tired of wasting so much food. I hate wasting food. So we're gonna try this. Up on the menu is sausage and peppers for tonight, stuffed peppers for, I don't know, Wednesday, and then 3 bean chili for Thursday or Friday. I don't know. Well, I don't know what the days are. Yeah, I just know what I'm cooking. Okay. How do we do, Savannah? How do we do? So y'all, we did pretty good. We switched up some things, but we stayed on budget. We checked some things off the list, and then we switched some things up too. That's what's in our cart. Mamacita, you want to see? You want to see yourself? Yeah. She is in her usual fashion. Got 1 shoe off, 1 shoe on. Darren went to go get a slice of pizza because he hasn't eaten all day. You see, we didn't get a chance to work out today because we just were. Don't put my braid in your hair, in your mouth. Get my braid out your mouth, Mama. Look at you. Look at you. Get my braid out your mouth, girl. What are you doing? You're so silly. I still don't get is how I got all these infections, and Darren's the one who eats like shit. Like, I'm the one who's so restricted right now. I'm just like, he's the one that eats like shit. What are you screaming at? Oh, you see Big Bird and Elmo. You see Elmo? Yeah, he's eating pizza right now, and we're over here in line. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. rice cooker right now because I made lentils yesterday and I didn't have any rice, and that just doesn't work. So I'm putting I put 2 cups of rice in there. I put 1 cup water and 1 cup of mushroom broth for some more flavor, and it keeps it more like moist, so the rice drying out and stuff. So I got the sausage and peppers, all the onions and mushrooms going, and I put some garlic in there too. I'm not even sure what I should do because I'm not eating the meat. So I'm eating the portobello mushrooms, and I got Darren and Savannah eating the sausages, but I'm like, should I just do 2 batches? Because I only got 1 pan to use. So I'm like, should I just put all the veggies into one, or should I do and then just do the meat separately, but then you won't get all the flavors in there. So I left a little bit out to do with my portobello mushrooms, and I'm gonna put the chicken sausage in there. I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud. Rice did come out really good. I just actually, so it's finished, but I poured a little bit more of the mushroom broth in there just to make it even more, like, you know, moist. I don't like dry rice. So that came out good at least. So that'll be for one meal prep. I'll have lentils and rice, and then whatever is left over from this, because I'm not gonna eat all these big old portobello mushrooms tonight. So yeah, feeling like you know, got my B12 shot earlier today. I feel like getting my mojo back and my energy after 2 weeks of being so low energy and fatigued all damn day. It was terrible. Very thankful for this right now. This is my finished product right here. It looks pretty good. Portobello mushrooms, peppers, onions, garlic, and then I'm just gonna put this over rice like they did right here, because I decided not to put any of the tomato sauce on there because I was like, if we didn't get any rolls, you might as well just make it, you know, a rice dish, even though I made the rice for the lentils. But you can always make more rice. It's not a big deal. It's pretty fast and quick. So yeah, so we're having for dinner. They're having the sausage and peppers, and I'm having the portobello mushroom and peppers. And I just ate some raw garlic, so it's supposed to be good for you, help you to do all kinds of things. Look it up. I'll put the benefits screen if I remember. But it hurts going down. It makes the stomach hurt a little bit. But I want to be free of infection, and I don't want to be sick again. So do whatever the fuck I gotta do. Finally. So baby girl is finally asleep at 8 o'clock at night. Actually, it's almost 9 o'clock at night, and she didn't take a nap all day. So yeah, this girl is pushing her nap time every day, I swear. Thank you for watching this vlog. See y'all in the next vlog, and let me know how you felt about it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll be back for more vlogs. I know I've been not doing vlogs lately. I've been like experimenting with content, so I think I got it. I think I like 85% got it, what I want to do with YouTube. So thanks for watching.